United Nations, the new US President Joe Biden administration has assured its support to a two-state solution between Israel and the Palestinians. In Afghanistan, 3 people have been killed and 13 others wounded in 2 separate bomb explosions. In India, 8 people killed and 4 injured after truck hit car in Rajasthan. UN human rights experts have urged the Sri Lanka government to end its policy of forced cremation of the bodies of coronavirus victims. Pakistan report 1,563 new COVID-19 cases and 74 deaths in last 24 hours. Indonesian volcano unleashes river of lava in new eruptions. Taliban back COVID-19 vaccination drive as Afghan government gets funding pledge. The Pakistani Foreign Minister announced a token contribution of $25,000 to the Secretary General Peace Building Fund.